I should be over all the butterflies I've been to you. And baby, even all the words.
'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. Yes,
hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, you guys already know, I'm going to be getting ready, doing my hair with another easy, you guys, I'm bringing you some really easy install wigs, okay? Like, this one is completely glueless, okay? Absolutely nothing to install this unit. It is just throw it on, curl it, and go. Okay, so I'm also going to be showing you my outfit and everything and telling you where it's from. Everything is going to be in the description box, so make sure you look there. But let's start with details on this unit. So it is from UNICE. Playlist is at the top. This is their 4x4 closure wig. This is the smallest closure I believe you can standard. This is the standard closure wig. It's 4x4. It is literally from here to here, enough to do like 3 little swoops. Okay, it is 24 inches. It's a BODYWAVE texture. I believe it's 150% density. Okay, so thoughts automatically is it does feel quite long. 24 inches it is, and I'm 5'4", so if you're taller than me, obviously it's going to fall a little bit shorter on you. But the density of this wig, I really like it. I like the texture of this wig as well, because it feels like it's coarse, it's soft, and it has a little bit of weight to it, and I actually like that, especially with these type of styles. So I'm really liking the density. I like everything about this wig. It was super easy to curl. It's holding these curls very well. I'm gonna leave a little update in the comment section. By the time you guys are watching this, the update will be there, and I'll let you know if the curls fell throughout the day or not. But it's just, can't get no easier than this, okay? Literally, I put a little bit of my contour powder on the lace, and then I use my concealer for like the part right here, and then that's really all I did. And when it came to prepping this wig, I did a little plucking, which I do with every single wig I get, so that's just a normal thing for me. But you guys, this is it, okay? I did cut a little bit of some bangs just so I can get some more like volume at top and to frame it around my face. So yeah, that's about it. It's gonna be a super short video. There's really not much to say. If you have tried this unit from this company, leave your comment down below so other girls can see and gather info or whatnot to see if they're gonna like purchase this unit. But you guys, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check y'all out in the next one. Bye.
Oh yeah, you be on all of that nonsense. Now I'm still surprised when it's always a process. I'm way too used to it. Happens too often. It's so exhausting. I'm so exhausted. Oh yeah. Exhausted, oh yeah, you be on all of that nonsense. Now I'm still surprised when it's always a process. I'm way too used to it, happens too often. It's so exhausting, I'm so exhausted.